Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax self-employed. Understanding self-employment tax is crucial for anyone working for themselves. This tax primarily funds your Social Security and Medicare benefits, ensuring you contribute to these vital programs. The current rate is 15.3% on your net earnings, covering both portions. Remember, if your net earnings from self-employment reach $400 or more, you are generally required to pay this tax. When filing, you'll primarily use Form 1040, along with specific schedules. Schedule C is where you detail your business income and expenses, determining your net profit or loss. Then, Schedule SE helps you calculate your Social Security and Medicare taxes. A great benefit is that you can deduct 1/2 of your total self-employment tax directly on your Form 1040, which helps reduce your overall taxable income. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more valuable content. And on another note, staying hydrated is key, especially when you're focused on your business. I highly recommend the Owala water bottle to keep your water cold and accessible all day. It's a game changer for productivity. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Since no employer withholds taxes for you, self-employed individuals must pay estimated taxes throughout the year. These payments cover your income tax, Social Security, and Medicare obligations. You'll use Form 1040 ES to figure out these amounts. The payments are generally due on April 15th, June 15th, September 15th, and January 15th of the following year. Paying on time helps avoid penalties.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.